Hi class, today we will be learning about the life cycle of a butterfly. The first stage is the egg. A butterfly starts life as a very small, round, oval, or even cylindrical egg. The coolest thing about butterfly eggs, especially a monarch butterfly egg, is that if you look closely, you can actually see the tiny caterpillar growing inside of it. Some butterfly eggs may be round, or some may be oval. Butterfly eggs are usually laid on leaves or plants, so you will have to look closely to find them. You can see in the picture here, you can see these are all little caterpillar eggs, and those are really small. The second stage is the larva or the caterpillar stage. After the egg hatches, a butterfly does not appear just yet. First, a butterfly must be a larva or a caterpillar for just a little amount of time. During this stage, caterpillars usually spend their time eating. And what is pretty cool or interesting is that caterpillars actually eat the leaf they were born onto. The reason why caterpillars need to eat the most during this stage is because they are born tiny. In order for them to grow, they need to eat a lot. A caterpillar's exoskeleton does not stretch or grow. Okay, as you can see here in the picture, this is their exoskeleton where the stripes are. Okay, that cannot stretch or grow. Instead, they grow by molting or shedding their outgrown skin several times while it grows. The third stage is the pupa or chrysalis stage. Once a caterpillar feels that it is ready in both its length and weight, it will form a pupa or chrysalis. From the outside, it will look like the caterpillar is just resting, but in reality, the caterpillar is just doing a lot of work inside. The caterpillar is rapidly changing into something very beautiful. Of course, we know that caterpillars are not born with wings, so inside the chrysalis, caterpillars are going through a marvelous transformation called metamorphosis. During this transformation, a caterpillar's tissues, organs, and limbs all must change in order to become a butterfly. Okay. And this leads us into the final stage. Okay, the fourth stage, adult butterfly. In this final stage of the life cycle, butterflies emerge out of their pupa. However, they must be very gentle because their wings are folded against their body and are also very fragile due to the limited movement they had inside the chrysalis. After the butterfly pumps enough blood into its wings, it will be able to fly. Within 3 to 4 hours, the butterfly will be a pro at flying. And it will eventually go out and look for a mate to reproduce. Okay class, that was it. That was the life cycle of the butterfly. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.